How's it going, guys? We are finally back for part 9. So we're back for part 9. We're at a point now where basically everything is done. Put it back on the dyno. We're literally doing bonnet catches, MOT, track day Saturday, and hopefully it will do more than like 4 laps. We've also changed the brakes for Wilwood 4 pots, kit you can buy from Jam Sports, Ferodo DS2500 pads, and 295mm discs. We've changed the inlet manifold for a Tessa Motorsport inlet manifold from Turkey. I've basically asked them to do me their inlet manifold, no map sensor port, intake air temp sensor port, obviously because our ECU or the EMU Black that we're running has an inbuilt map sensor, and then I've relocated the intake air temperature sensor into the intercooler pipe. So we're also running the Tessa Motorsport billet fuel rail. Because we're running the billet fuel rail, we've had to run different fuel line to the tank, which is this Teflon line in AN6 with steel overbraid, but we've had to put an adapter onto the pump basket to obviously to take this line. The battery relocation is pretty much power splitter or junction box, whatever you want to call it, in the engine bay. You can take the terminals off the stock terminal, shove them into that, and then on the second point you literally run power cable through the bulkhead all the way through the car. We've looked to do the battery relocation just to kind of free up some more space in the engine bay, because obviously with all the turbo bits and the air intake it is quite compact. The catch can setup we were running, we've now got Motormech MSA approved 2 litre catch can. Because of the position the inlet manifold sits in, we've had to make numerous changes. One of them is the intercooler. Okay, so basically to accommodate the new Tessa Motorsport inlet, the throttle body is down here, whereas on the standard inlet manifold, the throttle body is actually up here. Both of the intercooler pipes this side. So we've used twin pass intercooler, which obviously you can't see now because the bumper's on. Twin pass, the inlet and outlet is on the same side. We've mounted IET sensor in here, because obviously the stock ones are in the inlet manifold. Had to make a new pipe from the throttle body. Charge pipe, or the positive pressure charge pipe from the turbo, we've used some of what's there, chopped it, obviously to make it work. We've had to chop this end shorter to get the filter on a bit further and then extend the other end.